The Guru Granth Sahib is the central religious scripture of Sikhism, revered by Sikhs as the eternal Guru. Compiled by Guru Arjan, the fifth Guru of Sikhism, in the early 17th century, this sacred text is a collection of hymns and writings from the Sikh Gurus, as well as other saints and poets from various religious backgrounds. The compilation reflects the core beliefs of Sikhism, emphasizing the oneness of God, equality, and the importance of selfless service and devotion. After the passing of the last human Guru, Guru Gobind Singh, the Guru Granth Sahib was designated as the ultimate spiritual authority for Sikhs, effectively taking the place of the living Gurus. This pivotal decision underscored the belief that the teachings contained within the Guru Granth Sahib were meant to guide Sikhs in their spiritual journey and daily lives. As a result, the scripture holds a unique position in Sikh worship and practice, serving as a source of inspiration and guidance. The Guru Granth Sahib is treated with great reverence and respect, akin to that of a living Guru. In Gurdwaras, or Sikh places of worship, the Guru Granth Sahib is placed on a raised platform called the Takht, where it is opened for recitation and study. Sikhs bow before it, demonstrating their respect for its teachings. The text is often read aloud in congregational settings, and its hymns are sung in devotional music, fostering a sense of community and spiritual connection among the congregation. The teachings within the Guru Granth Sahib emphasize the importance of living a truthful, honest life and cultivating a personal relationship with God through devotion and meditation. Its verses promote values such as humility, compassion, and social justice, calling on Sikhs to engage in selfless service to humanity. This scripture, regarded as the eternal Guru, continues to guide the beliefs and practices of Sikhs around the world, embodying the essence of Sikh spirituality and community life. Through the Guru Granth Sahib, Sikhs find not only a sacred text but also a living embodiment of their faith and a continual source of inspiration.